Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook messages. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on Messenger option. Okay, then choose on someone. Okay, and all conversation, then press this someone. Okay, and tap on delete this conversation. Okay, just delete and delete conversation. Okay, then search this person and delete all conversation. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.